Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Webflow apps and integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Webflow apps and integrations, log into your Webflow dashboard. Navigate to the project where the app or integration is installed. Click on the project settings option located in the top left corner of the dashboard. Select the Integrations tab from the menu. Here, you will see a list of all installed integrations. Identify the app or integration that you wish to uninstall. Next to the app or integration, click on the Remove or Disconnect button. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to confirm the removal. Review the information provided in the prompt and confirm your choice. After confirming, the app or integration will be uninstalled from your Webflow project. If you are using third-party apps, check their individual settings for additional uninstallation steps. Go to your app settings on that third-party platform if necessary. Locate the Webflow integration settings within the third-party app. Follow the prompts to remove Webflow from that platform. Once you uninstall the app, revisit your Webflow project to ensure it's functioning properly. It's important to test your site to confirm that the uninstallation did not affect other functionalities. Document any changes for future reference. If needed, consult Webflow support resources for troubleshooting or additional assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.